This module informs you about the monitoring of the app. Explanation is given to what is meant by monitoring, why monitoring is required, what and who is monitored, along with who has access to the information that is collated. When the term monitoring is used by the Learn team, it refers to the capture and retaining of information relating to the actions of individuals or groups using the app. This means that individuals' activities on the app is logged and held on the Learn Global's main computer frame. As this frame is based in Europe, strict legislation has to be adhered to, which includes permission to obtain from users to hold personal information. For further clarity, please refer to the legal documents tutorial. Monitoring is essential for numerous reasons. Firstly, monitoring is required for pastoral support. This means that if a user fails to sync or engage with the app over a period of time, Learn will try to make contact to ascertain if there are any issues or difficulties being experienced. Secondly, Learn has numerous partners who have invested in Learn so that the user can avail of a wide range of resources. Learn has signed licenses with these partners, which include having to regularly and accurately update these partners on how their resources are benefiting the user. The only way these reports can be compiled is through monitoring and retaining information on user engagement with the Learn app. Thirdly, Learn has the responsibility to ensure that all aspects of the app, including the hardware, software, and resources, are being used for the intended purposes that they were issued. This is achieved through monitoring. Violations are investigated and responded to, which can include the user being removed from Learn and action taken to recover the hardware. For more information, refer to the legal documents tutorial. We will now look at who is monitored. The app monitors individuals as well as groups. These groups is defined by the rollout that you were part of. There is a requirement that all users of the Learn app require their details to be added to the Learn system. Therefore, all participants of the Learn app are monitored. This includes the Learn team. These details are not passed to any third party. We will now give a general overview of what Learn monitors. To view the full list, please refer to the legal documents tutorial. The app monitors what is read. This includes resources and the Bible. The app has the capability to note the book and the percentage that has been read. The app also monitors usage of the Bible and notes information like what version is preferred, the Bible, the book, and the chapter. The app retains information regarding dictionary searches as well as Bible and study plan progress. The app also monitors time and date when the app was synced. Also, the app knows what version of the app is being used by an individual. Sermons, notes, and bookmarks are saved onto the system. The only reason these are saved is to have a backup in case your e-library malfunctions. None of these are transferred to any other user. We will now look at who has permission to view monitoring. For anyone to monitor, they need to obtain permission from Learn leaders. For someone to monitor the app, they need to have a specific reason. Permission, therefore, is only granted if the Learn team are satisfied the required criteria is met. Monitoring the app is only for the benefit of Learn and should not be of any concern if the app is being used properly and in accordance with the agreement as set out in the legal documents tutorial. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.